Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle income with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your side hustle income with Airbnb, start by researching your local market. Analyze similar listings in your area to understand pricing and amenities. Identify your target guests based on the type of experience you can provide. Next, create a compelling listing title that highlights your unique features. Craft an engaging description that showcases the best aspects of your space. Include high-quality photos that capture the essence of your property. Ensure that your property is clean and well-maintained before guests arrive. Price your listing competitively using dynamic pricing strategies. Consider offering special promotions or discounts to attract your first guests. Respond promptly to inquiries to increase booking chances. Keep communication clear and professional with your guests. Focus on providing an excellent guest experience throughout their stay. Encourage guests to leave reviews by following up after their visit. These reviews will boost your listing's visibility and credibility. Regularly update your listing to reflect seasonal changes and special events. Stay compliant with local regulations and Airbnb policies. Consider using tools and software to optimize your pricing and manage your bookings. Network with other hosts to share insights and tips for improvement. Monitor your performance metrics on the Airbnb platform. Adjust your strategy based on guest feedback and market trends. By consistently enhancing your offering, you can significantly increase your side hustle income with Airbnb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.